Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And in the last video I told you should start your seeds, so I'm sort of going to share you an update on what good plants to grow to feed your family and also what types of plants. So I don't know when the last time I showed you my aloe vera, but I did put in a bigger pot and it has grown. Aloe vera, it's medicinal. You could use it for really anything. Burns, cuts, scrapes. I heard you could use it for stomach aches, but I don't know. And then these are California peppers. They need full sunlight to germinate. Then you need to adjust them to your weather. So you have to put them outside before you plant them. They haven't germinated yet, but I think they will. Then behind all that is an avocado pit. I'm trying to grow avocado tree just as an experiment, just for fun. So yeah, probably recognize this. This was all the seeds in my last video basically. I moved a couple because they started to grow. These ones haven't really germinated. These sweet potatoes, they're starting to grow. That's a root. Think before, and if you hear any background noise, sorry. And then there's some roots. So the sweet potatoes are starting to grow. And sweet potatoes are really good. They have a lot of protein. Still failed growing them last year. I'm going to try again. Hopefully I do better. So hello everybody, and this is my garage. This is the garage part. So these three pots, that one, and that one, that's basil. My dad is trying to grow. They probably won't grow because he's not that good of a gardener. I'm just joking, okay? But let's see the other one. So this is a maple that I found in my backyard. So I just potted it just for fun. This is a fig cutting I got from Home Depot. It's grown. It's pretty good. You need 2 figs or you won't really get any figs from the trees. That's my dad's maple. Yeah, it's not that good. But there's my other fig tree. I got that from a friend. And there's my lavender. It's sort of dying out. I don't know if the garage was too cold, but if you know anything about how to grow lavender, because I don't really, then please comment below because I'm lost how to do this. So let's go to the next part of the tour. So hello everybody and welcome back to the last part of the tour. So these seeds, they don't stay outside because it's too cold. In New Jersey it gets to 40s in the night, so yeah. So these are growing really well. They're early germinators. This is radish. That's spinach. That needs more sunlight, so I'm trying to get more sunlight. Then behind here, that is zucchini, and then that is, I think, turtle beans, but I just call them black beans. And radishes, spinach, zucchini, and turtle beans, they have a lot of protein and they're really filling. And also radishes, they go from seed to germination in 3 weeks. I didn't really know that, so I planted it a little early. But you could plant radish seeds 5 times. You directly sow it into the soil, or you're supposed to. But I didn't. I used these egg cartons, and I just planted in. Spinach, I think it takes about a month, or a month and a half to go from seed to germination. I think zucchini and black beans the same. So that's just part of it. And also it's really important to grow perennials, stuff that comes back every year, trees, bushes, stuff like that. Also, there are some wild edibles coming out, so if you want me to make another video about wild edibles, comment the description. So here are my 2 raised beds. I'm also going to get a garbage can for the sweet potatoes, probably put it right over there. And also the figs, probably going to go there and there, give them plenty of space. This is the final thing. This is peppermint. It's a perennial, and this is the only plant that I'm successful with every year. And you could leave it out in winter. It's great. It grows back. You don't really have to do anything. It tastes really good. So this is the end of the video. So hope you enjoyed this garden tour, garden update. And if you still didn't do your seeds yet, do them. You should have done them a long time ago, but do them. Try to start them. Play around, because you don't want to be figuring out how to garden when your life depends on it, because I've had a lot of failures. So yeah, and if I was trying to feed my family, we'd probably starve to death. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Also, shout out time. I'm shouting out. So me and my friend started a fish education channel. It's the Salty Fish Tank. It's going to be in the link below. There's going to be a card probably there. Go subscribe if you're interested in keeping fish or learning how to keep fish. So yeah, go subscribe. Card right there. Description below. It's going to be everywhere. So please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Share out our videos. We're almost to 400. We're going to be having an awesome giveaway at 400 subscribers with another YouTube channel. So yeah, please smash that like button and subscribe. Happy Prepper out.